Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for one countertop appliance that can handle air frying, baking, toasting, roasting, and more, the NuWave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven is definitely worth checking out. The biggest feature here is the improved 100% faster fan and super convection system. NuWave says the redesigned fan is built to move hot air more aggressively through the oven, helping produce quicker cooking and crispier results. NuWave. And the oven is seriously versatile. You get a spacious 30-quart capacity, with 4 rack levels for multi-layer cooking. According to NuWave, it can accommodate foods such as a 10-pound chicken, 2 13-inch pizzas, or larger batches of fries. NuWave. Pause. Temperature control ranges from 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you flexibility for everything from low-temperature cooking and dehydrating to baking, roasting, and high-heat cooking. NuWave. Another feature I really like is the digital temperature probe. Instead of relying only on cooking time, you can monitor the internal temperature of compatible foods for more precise cooking. The Bravo XL Pro also offers 12 cooking functions and 100 one-touch recipe presets, so you have plenty of options without manually figuring out every cooking setting yourself. NuWave. And if you're making pizza, you can adjust the ratio of the top and bottom heating elements, giving you more control over how the crust and toppings cook. Pause. The accessories include cooking racks, an air frying basket, baking pan, broiler rack, crumb tray, and the temperature probe, giving you a lot of flexibility straight out of the box. NuWave. Now, keep in mind that this is a 30-quart countertop oven, so it needs a decent amount of counter space. And with all these functions, there can be a little learning curve when you're first getting familiar with the controls. But if you want one appliance capable of handling air frying, baking, roasting, toasting, dehydrating, and more, the NuWave Bravo XL Pro offers an impressive combination of capacity and versatility. Overall, this is a strong option for families, busy kitchens, and anyone who wants to consolidate several countertop cooking appliances into one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys.